As part of our training in the fit test, you're going to do a 1 mile endurance run for me. So what I'm looking for here is your endurance improving throughout the course of our training. The best way to test that is on something that's going to be consistent. So a treadmill would be awesome. You can also do it outside. Just make sure you keep the route the same and try to have the conditions as similar as possible. So come on with me. We're going to jump on a treadmill, hit a quick start, and get the treadmill going up to maybe like a 3 for a minute or 2, walk for a few minutes. But after that, I want you all out sprinting. This should be as hard as you can go for the full mile. So I'm gonna take it up to say like a 6 and a half. Yeah. There we go. So I'm gonna run as much as I can. There's gonna be times when you feel like you need to walk, and that's okay, especially at the beginning. Eventually, I'd love to see you running the whole time through. Okay, so as soon as you complete your mile, hit stop. Check if you've got an Apple Watch or if you've got something that's doing your heart rate. Check that first heart rate. That's your initial reading. So on the sheet, on our progress tracker, where it says your initial heart rate after your 1 mile run, that's the number right now, as soon as you finished, okay? 30 seconds later, we're testing that again. I want to be watching the drop in your heart rate over time. If you have a treadmill that's got the handy little heart rate monitors attached, pop your hands on and just keep watching it go down. You can take this down to a brief walk, or you can totally stop. I'm okay either way. I'm watching your heart rate decline over time. So that's our recovery heart rate, and it comes immediately after your 1 mile fit test.